Arutwo 996 na 76 nio mandikithitio gwika kigeranio gia KCSE mwaka uyu, kigeranio kiria gikambiriria muthenya wa RUCIU kuri arutwo othe, na o ni thutha wa arutwo aria marari na igeranio cia orals na practicals kurikiriria igeranio cia umuthe wa gatano kiumia kihituku. Kuringana na mutaratara uria uheanitwo ni KANJU ya igeranio cia mathomo ma githungu na chemistry nicio ikambiriria muthenya wa RUCIU. KANJU ya igeranio yugite mehariria mothe ni marikiriru rita riri, maabitha 54,782 makirugamirira igeranio ici thiini wa gikiro kia invigilators na supervisors 12,126. Ugitiri wa igeranio ici ni ugacirithitio na mugaru na uria igeranio cia KPSEA na KJSEA itarari na urugamiriri wa maabitha a ugitiri. O ceceni ya kigeranio gia KCSE niri na afitha wa ugitiri wa kurugamirira igeranio ici. Ihinda-ini o riu thirikari ni iraniire ati mihango ya igeranio ndigacerithirio, kuona ona kuria kuri na muiyuro na matuika ma tiri kaunti-ini ya Elgeyo Marakwet igeranio ni ikaumagario na ndege.
The tragedy has disrupted the ongoing exams. However, the government through the Ministry of Education has organized for the exams to continue uninterrupted. We just had a conversation with CS Ogamba and the CEO of Kenya National Examination Council. For the affected schools, the exams will be airlifted, and for the one student who whose left hand has been injured, they will be able to do the exam in hospital upon proper arrangement. Already the exams yesterday are in the containers, and there is one standby helicopter here in Eldoret.
Hadwini ha Kameme TV, Jitagogena Wawadiro.